how to easily install ChatGPT on Windows 11. Now for that you need to open your Chrome. Now type with ChatGPT. Now open it. Now make sure you are logged into your account on ChatGPT. Now after that go to these three dots and click on it. Now scroll down until you find this cast, save and share. Now after that click on install page or app. Now as you can see this is our app. Now click on install. Now after a while, as you can see, we have the ChatGPT on our Windows and now you can use it. Now in another method is by going to this Microsoft Store and easily type here ChatGPT, and now after that make sure to click on this result. Now as you can see this is a ChatGPT official app. Now after you click on get, it will install in your desktop, and this is how to easily install ChatGPT on Windows 11. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe. See you in the next video.